So, hello everyone. You can see a picture here. So, can you understand what the picture is? You can understand, like, no, it is something which is there from the space. But I think you may not be exactly getting what it is. So, I will explain you what the picture means. So, in simple terms, okay? Suppose we have one star here and we have another star here, okay? So, after some time, what happens is this particular star, it starts, you know, sorry, this particular star starts sucking all the energy of this star into it. So, what happens? This star will become, you know, drained of its energy, and this star will become bigger, bigger, and bigger, right? So that star will become bigger and the other one become almost drained out. And finally, this star collapses. So this process or this thing which happens, and this particular star, see this one, and this star is called as a, what is it? Vampire star, right? So you understood, I guess. So let's see the picture once again. So we can see this is the first one, this is the another star. So this particular star is absorbing energy from this particular star, right? It is absorbing more and more energy, and this is losing its glow, and this is getting more and more brighter, and finally this will collapse and this becomes larger and brighter. So this is the vampire star. So why I am saying about vampire star here? So you must have heard about something called ASTROSAT. ASTROSAT. So maybe some of you may not have heard about it. So don't worry. So let's see what exactly this is. So it is India's eye in the sky. It's a astronomical satellite. So you must have heard about Hubble telescope, right? Hubble telescope, what it does? It observes the sky. It is of NASA. So iska Desi version. It is the Indian version, or you can say the Desi version of Hubble telescope. That is the ASTROSAT. So what is the feature? Why I am telling about the vampire star and ASTROSAT here? So ASTROSAT was launched, and ASTROSAT captured this phenomena of one star sucking out from the energy from the other star, and finally one collapses, one becomes bigger. So this phenomena was captured by ASTROSAT, and ASTROSAT is India's first dedicated multi-wavelength space observatory. As I told you, like, this is a space observatory. So here it is Earth, and here it is the ASTROSAT. This particular satellite is the ASTROSAT. So it observes the Earth. Sorry, it observes the space, and it observes in different wavelengths. That is another thing. We all know, the visible range, like VIBGYOR, right? Other than VIBGYOR, if you go there, we have the ultraviolet, and here we have the X-rays. So what this does is it observes in multi wavelengths. So this particular wavelength, this wavelength, this wavelength. So since it observes in different wavelengths, it do not miss anything which is not visible in one particular. Suppose something is visible in this X-ray spectrum and it is not visible in any other, so this has the capability to capture it. If it does not have the capability, it won't be able to know what is happening here when it in the X-ray range. So that is one of the biggest advantage of this. So this is what I want to tell you about. You should understand, like, what exactly best hour is. That is the first thing. And what is ASTROSAT is, and what is this one of the speciality of ASTROSAT, that is, it is a multi-wavelength space observatory. So that's it. Thank you.